Let's get this going. Look at that. Look at that. So rich. It is so rich, guys. Yes. So rich, and it looks delicious. Ready? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a mango triple berry smoothie. Yes, and guys, if you notice, I'm in a new environment. I'm in New York, but I'm gonna do my smoothie just the same. So get ready, take a look, and get ready for a sumptuous juicy smoothie. So I will be using the triple berry from this brand, Wyman's. I use some frozen mango to get the brand. I have some organic kale that I will be using. I took some out of it, and I have a ripe banana that I'm gonna be adding, and some yogurt. This brand, Noosa raspberry yogurt. So I'm in foreign, so I'm using foreign stuff. Yes, and then I have some Lasco that was placed in this bottle for storage. I'm gonna be using some of that, and I have my Poland spring water, guys. So and my blender, my bullet is right here, so I'm gonna get started. All right, so first I was told to add the liquid to the blender first to make it easier to blend the stuff and don't let it stick. So first I'm gonna be using, say, quarter of the bottle of water. I'm gonna add my fruits, and guys, the fruits are frozen, so you don't need any ice, and this is winter, so we don't need much ice at this time. For me, if you notice, I'm in layers of clothes. I am very cold, so I don't want any additional ice in my smoothie today. Yes, so I'm adding the ingredients to the blend, the bullet. It's taking a while, so let's do this. Alright, like I'm gonna need more spacing, and then I'm gonna add my sumptuous yogurt. Look at it, guys. It's raspberry. Alright, so this is the raspberry part of it. Gonna just add some. Look at that. The raspberry is right there. And I add that to it. You can give it some more. Yes. And then I'm gonna add some Lasco milk. This is what is gonna give it the extra flavor. So roughly 2 tablespoons of Lasco I'll be using. And guys, it's Lasco almond milk. My banana, because of the size of my bullet, I'm gonna use half a banana today. This will make it taste a little bit different. I'm gonna put this aside. Wow, let's do this, guys. Yes, and then I'm gonna add some of this kale, a little greenery, because our body needs this at times. I'm gonna cover, and then I'm gonna boil it. Guys, I always have ideas about smoothie. Is this one of them? Pistachio, banana, apple smoothie. Maybe the ingredients are right there. You never know what next. So stick around and watch my video and you will see more delicious smoothie recipe. Wow, look at that. Look at, oh, it looks beautiful. The color from the triple berry makes it perfect. Look at that. Look at it, guys. Yes, I think it's, I would have all my ingredients here in one place to do all my smoothies. As you know, I love to do smoothies. So this is a great opportunity that I'm on vacation, so I can showcase some other sumptuous smoothie. Look at this. Yummy. Look at it, guys. It looks so delicious. So let me pour it for my sister and myself. So we're gonna do a taste off right now. So let's get this going. Look at that. Look at that. So rich. It is so rich, guys. Yes, so rich, and it looks delicious, right? It looks delicious. So my sister, you go ahead and taste that and tell me what you think, and I'm gonna taste mine next.
I think you should be here and make them every day. So we can live happy, healthy lives.
Wow, wow. Hear that, guys? So nutritious, so delicious. This one is the one to try, guys. If you notice, I didn't put any sweetener in it. It's the natural fruits. Everything is natural from the fruits that I blend up. The mango give it a nice flavor. The banana, you have the yogurt, the kale, everything just came together and made this delicious smoothie. I can't stop tasting. So yummy. So guys, guess what? You can go right ahead and try this delicious smoothie, my triple berry mango smoothie. You will love it. Remember to like my videos, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Alright guys, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.